Assalamualaikum student. Today's our topic is electric current. In electric current, if we ask people about current, they usually say that current is the flow of charges. Current is flow of charges. Now you may be thinking that why I had this definition. Let me explain you. Let's consider this metal like iron rod. We know that the electron in this rod are freely move. Electrons are freely move in this rod. Now here the one important question is arise, why there is no current produced in this rod? Well, according to the definition that the current is the flow of charges, but why there is no current produced in this rod? But electrons are freely moved in this rod, but in reality there is no current is produced. So as a whole, that the current definition that the current is the flow of charges is not correct. This is wrong definition. Now I answered this question, why there is no current produced in this rod. So let me teach you what is an electric current. What is an electric current? The correct definition of the electric current is the net flow of charges through a point in 1 second is called electric current. This is the proper definition of electric current, that is the net flow of charges to a point in 1 second. Now let me explain you the definition of the electric current, that is the net flow of charges to a point in 1 second. To explain this definition, I take a metal rod that is contained of electrons that are random move in this rod. We consider a point P in this rod. I am interested at how much electron is passes through this point. So we find how much electrons pass through point P in 1 second. Let in this rod 50 electrons pass to a point P in 1 second. So we say that 50 electrons pass in 1 second. Now if I ask you, what is the flow of charges? What is the flow of charges? So what is your answer? Your answer is simple. The flow of charge is 50 electrons in 1 second. Now if I ask you the question, what is the current of electric charges? So your answer is simple again, that 50 electrons in 1 second is called electric current. So we can say that current and flow of charges is same thing. Therefore, we can define the definition of the electric current and formula of the electric current is the net flow of charges in 1 second. Here I is represent current, Q is charge and T is time. So here we define the current, that is the how much charge is passed to a point P in 1 second. Current is basically how much charge is passed through point P in 1 second. Now here the one important point you should note down. We can see that electrons are flowing in one proper direction. Electrons flow in one direction. So here the current flow in one proper direction. So that's why we can say that the net flow of charges is not zero. So we can say that current is only produced when there is net flow of charges through point in 1 second.